unplugged it. I unplugged the, anyway. Happy Monday to you guys. It is Monday. Whoa. Oh, little skies. Hold on there. That's what I'm saying. I unplugged my aux cord and then it connected back in halfway through my sentence. It's Monday. Normally I don't do this. Normally I eat a lot of food from home. I'm actually in the Chick-fil-A drive-thru right now. I don't know if y'all can tell. I'm in the Chick-fil-A drive-thru because you got to find a way to start the day off. You know, if you're having a rough morning, if you're not motivated, if you're, you know, kind of slacking behind, find something to boost you up a little bit. You know, it's Monday. We got a new week of opportunities. 1 week closer to quarantine getting over with. So you guys need to stay focused. Make sure you guys are keeping on the grind. Every day's a new opportunity. Make sure you make the best of every single day that you're given, and then wake up and do the same thing tomorrow, and you will be successful. So I'm gonna finish getting some Chick-fil-A. Oh, there's a Kodiak in the drive-thru behind me. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna get some Chick-fil-A and I'll see you guys when we get to work. Thank you. Guys, they just opened up this new Tropical Island Cafe right around the corner from work. And if y'all know me, y'all know there's one very quick, easy way to my heart, and that's lemon pepper chicken wings. And they sell them. So today for lunch, ran by the bank, and I just picked up some lemon pepper chicken wings, fries, and mac and cheese. Now I know that's a weird combo, but y'all have no idea how excited I am because lemon pepper wings, that's it right there. That's me. Lemon pepper wings. I eat lemon pepper on everything. So I'm gonna head back to the shop and we're gonna bust these things open. Woo! Oh, y'all have no idea. I'm so excited. Here we go. Here we go. This is it. No, I did not get a smoothie. This is it. The moment. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Oh man, they even put lemon pepper on the fries.
Where's the rest of them?
Jake?
Might be onto something.
They put lemon pepper on the fries.
Look at it.
We're onto something. Holy shit. Silver. Looks good. It's like toenail polish.
No, Bean, we're not catching on fire again.
Catch it on fire. Do it.
There's a fire extinguisher today right here. Bro, what the fuck is all wet down there?
Question of the day. If you had $1,200 cash, what would you spend it on right now?
I don't know if it's YouTube friendly.
Truck related then.
I need a fuel pump.
Fuel pump, got it.
Question of the day. What are you spending your $1,200? Oh, what was that?
Cut, rewind. Bean, answer the question.
I did. Hookers and cocaine.
All right, if it was for your truck.
Race car parts.
For your truck.
Race car parts.
Race car parts, all right. I mean, I can deal with that.
What would you spend your $1,200 on?
Well, I would probably buy out Publix of their bread department. And if it was for my truck, I would
That's the 40-year-old what he said it is.
probably fill the back of the truck with that bread. And then a cold air intake and a tune, probably.
There we go.
That's probably what I'd do. What about Lance?
I sent an extra mortgage in.
Wow, that's adulting right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna. That's not the answer we wanted to hear.
$1,200 will be spent on something that will be on the channel eventually.
Yeah. Yeah, whether it's bread or bread is metaphorical. Bread is everything. Bread can be hookers and cocaine, or
No chance of watching this.
yeah, no, yeah, there's no, yeah, don't, yeah, no.
Lots of duck sounds.
I'm just gonna stop talking. I'm just gonna stop talking. You're on YouTube. Say hello.
How am I on YouTube?
I'm filming my phone right now.
What's up, buddy?
Zach's actually coming by the shop here in a minute. Should be maybe 10-15 minutes he'll be here. He's actually gonna do some tinting on the house actually. So there's 2 windows next to our front door that we want to get tinted just because there's no way to put blinds or curtains or anything next to them, and it lets a lot of light in. So we're gonna get those tinted 5% everything. You know, we gotta put 5% on it. And then we're gonna head over to the tint shop tonight. buddy Will, if you guys remember from a couple days ago, he's getting his windshield tinted 5%. So we're gonna go over there, cut up, hang out, you know, just kind of film some vlog stuff. So that'll be in tomorrow's vlog. Tonight's vlog will obviously be the one that you're watching now, but Zach will be here in just a minute. I'll see you guys when he gets here so we can see what's going on. You know, I got my yard cleaned up the other day, and there's this one like huge weed that's just here. I don't know how I missed it. Obviously I tried to clear everything else out, you know, that, you know, no weeds and extra stuff, but there's just this one freaking weed. Like, what are you doing? So the point of this video originally was, how would we spend our $1,200 if we were spending it on our truck? Now, the guys at work obviously had a lot of different answers, some good, some bad, some appropriate for YouTube, some not. But that's the fun of, you know, getting responses from the guys at work. On a real note, how could you effectively spend $1,200 on your truck? You know, if you have a stock truck, you could take that $1,200 and put a leveling kit and some nice tires on it, or you could color match the front, or, you know, there's a lot of different, you know, combinations and ways that you could do it. Me personally, right now, if I was actually going to spend $1,200 on my truck, I would spend $300 on a cold air intake, 150 to 200 depending on what I work out on a tune. That's about half of it, and then I'd have $600 to, hell, I don't know, probably either redo the exhaust or get the wheel lights fixed up front, something like that. Maybe we'll do a video with Christina tomorrow, you know, depending on how you guys like that concept of how we would spend $1,200 on the Tahoe. We haven't done a lot to the Tahoe, so that video could be pretty fun to kind of pick apart and see what we would do. But real quick before I go, 24 days straight of daily vlogging. That's waking up, filming in the morning, filming during the day, editing at night, posting by 8 o'clock, except for the past 2 nights. I've been a little bit late, but I'm working out some kinks with YouTube right now. 24 days straight. I'm shooting for 30 days, a full month of daily vlogging. And man, that would be something. I didn't ever think that would be possible, but that just shows, as long as you dedicate yourself to something, you can really do anything the hell, whatever the hell that you want to, you can do it. So it actually turned out to be a nice day. It was raining like hell this morning. I'm rambling on. I'm sorry. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tent shop tomorrow, tenting the windows tomorrow, all kinds of crap. Wednesday should be fun too. I got some stuff planned. Just stay tuned. 8 o'clock every day. Bread gang, you know what it is. Daily vlog shit. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.